I'm Prescott Morrill, and I work locally for Transit for Livable Communities, and specifically a program called Bike Walk Twin Cities. And what I do in my position is analyze non-motorized or bike and pedestrian data and see what's happening with our network. Minneapolis has been lucky enough to be the recipient of a National Transportation Pilot Program fund, and that money is meant to go into bike and pedestrian infrastructure and measure the effects of it. And from where I'm sitting as a data analyst, looking at that information, Minneapolis has done it extremely well, and that's why you see events like this one, and that's why you see more cyclists on the street and safer cycling rates. Going into the future, beyond the national pilot program, we're going to take what we've learned from that pilot program and continue to build out our network so each leg of the network is even more robust, and then also connect it to a larger region and a regional trail system that will serve suburban communities, connect to St. Paul, involve university students, and make our whole region really a bike and pedestrian friendly region.